Hello. Uh, this is my voice. I talk like this. Also, this is the new video. Enjoy. That area is the electrical station. I will show how to do that. You need 4 karma. Uh, so, uh, so this way you need 4 karma. Yay. Wait up. Yay. Let's go here. 4 karma, that's 4. This is 2. To get back you need 2. Wait. Yeah, 2 it is. So that I can wait. This is electrical station. This is electrical station. There's berries. 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 Ada water, I call anything. Berries. Rainfall. Oh, hello. Berries. Oh, 3 berries. Yay. You want pizza? Yeah. Oh, wait, one second. Yeah, I forgot this. Okay, so I'll show that one water. So this is the place, the shelter. One second. Okay, so this is the shelter. This is the shelter. I accidentally put the Q button. Okay. Bye. Okay. No, okay. So the next area is not here. It's in the starter area. That's how I'll show you. I'm here. Okay. Bruh. I'm escaping. Oh, you. Oh, by the way, it's here. The den. Okay, bye. So, it's there. What you have to do is back. Oh. Okay, bye. That area is the den or shelter. This is the gate. Okay, I'll show you. So down here. That direction shelter. This is the gate. You need a 6. I don't know whether. This is the area, and I'll show the shelter. It is up there. So you gotta go through here and up here and here and up. Shelter. Yay, shelter. Oh. That's what that inside looks like. Wow. By the way, this area is called Shrouded Complex. There is another side to it. I'll show you. One sec. Yeah, this is the symbol one. Okay, that is I think 6. I think the symbol is 6. Otherwise, I'll show you the other place. Okay, one sec. I lied. There is another region electrical station. I'll show. It is behind the shelter. So, in this giant cave, it is there. And also, that's the place I came from. You have to go straight and left or right. Yeah, here. I will auto skip to the gate. Okay. I made it, and there's a shelter here. Okay. Behold the impenetrable fortress! Yay! That's where I came from, and this is a shelter, and that is mysterious stuff where I got this black cat. Okay. Okay, bye. What the inside look like? Whoa! Oh, but you're going here. Never. That's all. Also, I got this lantern machine here. Pearl. That's where I was. Also, but what? I'm going to show the KFC place. I came from there. You cannot see, it's unloaded, but that's that place. Okay. That's the process. This is it, guys. The Divine Echo and KFC. Wow. I'm bored. I'm going to die. Okay, yeah. I'm done. Please subscribe. I'm dead.